Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff, and today we're going to be looking at a 2000 SVT Mustang Cobra R. Now, this is not just any 2000 SVT Mustang Cobra R. This is one that's been turbocharged. So let's go ahead and let's go over the details. So in stock form, power comes from a 5.4 liter V8 producing 385 horsepower. So 385 horsepower is actually the rating that Ford gave it, but later they would find out on the dyno that it's actually making more like 385 to the wheels. But this car, of course, has been upgraded. Originally 0 to 60 was about 4.4 seconds, but I can assure you this car will do faster than that if it can get traction. The car was built by Ray Lee with the help of Forced Air Technologies out of Phoenix, Arizona. Now, having experienced the supercharger rush on his 90 Saleen, he wanted to upgrade his 2000 SVT Cobra R. So they started with a Garrett T72 turbocharger, then they added MagnaFlow mufflers, features Turbonetics adjustable race gate, and an HKS electronic boost controller. Ray says he runs the system at a mild 6 PSI at max RPM. In this configuration, the car should be making about 520 horsepower to the rear wheels. And all of the other engine parameters are in stock configuration, meaning stock computer, stock injectors, and so on. And to me, that's one of the coolest things, using all of these stock internals with the turbo upgrade, which has over 135 horsepower increase to the rear wheels. If you enjoyed that video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And get subscribed as I release content like this regularly. Thank you so much for watching.